Hello everybody, Night Road 09 here with my darling niece, Janaria. Nari, say hi. Nari, say hi.
Yes.
It's a rubber band. Nari, Nari,
Hi.
look up, say hi.
Hi.
Say, how are you?
I'm good.
I said, no, tell everybody how are you.
I'm good.
Good? Alright. Now today we will be building my first PC. On the bed you can see, yeah. All you can see is the parts that I need for the PC. Also, this huge case right here. Right, Nari? Look how big this case is. Now this one is a Lancool 2.
Go.
Yes, Nari.
What's this?
That's a fan.
It's with the fries?
Yeah, that's what makes you not hot.
Huh?
Yeah. Anyways, what we have for our CPU is a Ryzen 3700X. Now, of course, you can... Anyway. Nari. Anyways, this would be a standard if you want to overclock your PC. This would be the one to do it. Now, the most other important thing is the EVGA RTX GeForce 2070 Super. Of course, this is the graphics card, so this is the most important thing that you'll need for any build. Well, you don't have to get it unless you're doing some high-end gaming, editing, and whatnot. Now, of course, nothing can't power on without the power supply, which I chose the PowerSpec 1650W, the bronze 80. Now, I definitely can go higher, but for now I decided to stick with the 650 since the 750 sold out the Micro Center. Shout out to the Micro Center for all this stuff. Well, except for the motherboard, but we'll talk about that. Of course, what we can't do without the storage. Of course, I chose the SSD for the Inland Premium 512 gigabytes. And of course, the Western Digital Blue 4 terabyte hard drive. Nari, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm going to get a nap.
You gonna take a nap?
No.
What's that on your face? Let me see. Okay, let me put that on your head. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Put that right in there. Okay? All right?
What?
Right. Now next we got the G.Skill Trident Z Neo. Now this is 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now I could have went with the 16, but you know, since I do a lot of streaming, gaming, and a shit ton of editing, 32 gigabytes is pretty optimal. Plus it has the RGB lights on it, and you know, who doesn't want a PC without some bling to it? Now, of course, the most important part of this setup would be the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. Obviously, it's definitely Ryzen 300 ready. So if you want to overclock your board, this is definitely the best budget board you can get. Now, you like all this stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now, I did pick up some peripherals today, actually, from the Micro Center. Again, shout out to the Micro Center. I did pick up a Acer ISP display monitor, a Redragon mechanical keyboard, because who doesn't love mechanical keyboards? That is, and Nari, this is a magnetic tray. That's when you can put all your little screws and stuff without ever losing them.
No.
Anyways, and of course, what can't be without a mouse? That's a mouse. Logitech wireless mouse.
It's mine.
It's yours?
Yeah.
Well, alright, I'll let you keep that. Now we are ready to build our PC. Are you ready, Nari?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Let's get to it. Of course, let's get this little chunky out the way. So we'll put that on the floor for now. You gonna sleep on the pillow? You gonna sleep on the pillow? Alright. Now, first things first, we obviously have to put together our motherboard. Of course, we definitely... No, please stop jumping. First components we need, obviously, the SSD and the RAM. And who cannot forget CPU? Oh boy, if you don't put the CPU in, you're not going to have a good time. Excuse me. Let's take this baby out. Now you gotta be careful with this. Once you take them out, it's best to put them on a hard, flat surface they can be able to work on. And of course, comes the components, the CD, manual stuff. Ooh, even has this logo. I like it. There's this. And the cords. Alright, put those down, please. Those there. Mind the mess, you know. I do have a 2-year-old niece that likes to frequently come in my room every day. And let's put that here. Ooh, there it is, the motherboard that we'll be working on today. So it's best to be careful with it when you work on it.
Oh, doing it.
Putting my motherboard together.
I'll have the burger.
No, let me do it first, okay?
No, we'll do this first.
No, let me do it.
Let's do this first.
Alright, you gonna help me? No, don't touch it, don't touch.
Ooh, it nice.
Yeah, it looks nice, right? You are easily entertained. It's unbelievable.
Nice. It's very
It's nice? Alright, don't touch it, okay? Okay? Alright, listen to your uncle, please, okay? Let's get this sucker open. Hey, don't touch.
Go.
This looks nice?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's gonna even look nicer. Ooh. Now, with any good CPU, peekaboo, I see you. Ooh.
Yes.
This is the CPU, Nari.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Is it a remote?
Hmm?
Is it a remote?
No, it's not a remote. It's for the computer.
Here? No, it's just remote.
And then this is the fan that we're gonna put in the PC. See? See?
What?
Yeah, it's a fan that you put inside the PC. We don't touch it. Okay?
Yes.
This is the cords that you're gonna plug in for this one. Okay?
What's this?
Those are ports.
Oh, what's this?
Those you don't touch.
What's this?
Those you don't touch either.
What's this?
You don't touch those either.
What's this?
We'll be right
2,
back.
1, 2, 1.
And we're back. Alright, we got the CPU out. Get a little focus there. Boom. Well, not really visible, but you know, that's how things are. Get your phone? No, get your phone.
My phone?
Yeah, get the blue phone. Yes. Now, you always, with any PC build, especially with a CPU, you never want to pick it up from the bottom. If you pick it up from the bottom, you are going to destroy those pins on the bottom. So you definitely have to be careful, which I need to do that. Voila. And of course, you want to get this up. Now you want to align the CPU to that little arrow right here. And just let it sit. And there we go. Our CPU is installed. Not bad. Now next we want to put in the CPU cooler, which is right here. What's wrong? Your head hurts? Mwah. Better? Alright, where? Here? Mwah. Oh, you want to put it back on your head? Boom. Better? Alright, let me, hold on.
What's this?
That's a screwdriver. Yeah. Here. Alright, here. Here. You take that. I'll take this. Go on the bed. Go on the bed, please. Go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go on the bed. Alright, of course we got to put in the CPU cooler, which is right here. Ooh, look at this beauty. I would think it would be much smaller, but you know, you never know. Now, if you want to put in the CPU cooler, you definitely need to take apart these two brackets right here. And of course, you have to have the right set of tools for that. Whenever you have anything. If I even know where I put it. Un momento. And we are back. Found the appropriate tool for this. Carefully unscrew these. You don't want to put any type of force or pressure. That'll break your motherboard. Because without that, you're pretty much just out of luck. Oops. You always gotta make sure they're completely off. Set that over there. Get the other ones. Now it's always good to also have a magnetic screwdriver. That way, in case you're screwing anything, you don't have to lose the screws. That'd be just a nightmare. Set those aside there. Now for this, you definitely want to at least have there we go. On the bottom, you see this thermal paste. This will go directly on top of the CPU. I just dropped something. Yes, I did drop something. Clumsy me. Now, there's a little bit of a trick to it. Whenever you're installing your CPU, you always want to put it a way that it's not too difficult to put it. But in my case, you know, this is the first time, so we gotta be careful with that. Let's see if I can get in there. I mean, there's not really a one way of putting this, but I always want to put it that way. It's directly interesting. That is very interesting. Guess I didn't need to unscrew these at all. Because apparently these come with a little clip right here. I can just put it, slot it right here. So I guess we just put these right back. Alright, let's just screw these back on. Now this is what I like about that. Now if you are gonna put your own CPU cooler, you can definitely, you won't need these at all. Yes, Larry. Hmm? It's yours? You want to open it? Hold on. Here. Alrighty then, here we go. Here we go. Now, of course, you want to put this, as I said before, you want to put this so this right here, goes into the power supply right here. That way, it won't be too much trouble. So, best way to put it is this way. Yes, Nari. Yes, Nari. Put it right on top. Yes, Nari. Yes, Nari. You gotta be careful with the thermal paste. It already popped itself back in. Nope, that's actually the thermal paste. So, let's see if we can try to get that off. There we go. Try to put this here, and then slide this on top. Let's see. Now the more difficult part is trying to put this Oh wait, no, actually it's not that difficult. I'm just slow brain. Here we go. Alright. And we got it in. And all we have to do now is just slide this part in, and boom. We got our got it installed. Boom. Got our CPU cooler on. Now next, let's do You're heavy. Oh. Alright, next we're gonna put the RAM. Ooh.
Okay, Coco. Iron.
Hmm?
Door.
Door?
Yeah.
Where do you see a door?
This is a door.
No, don't touch.
It dies.
Yeah, it's nice.
It says.
That's the CPU cooler. Yeah. You wanna drink it? Alright.
Thank you.
Welcome. Alright, and we got this sucker open. Now, of course, you gotta be very careful. And look at that. Let me zoom in real quick. Ah, look at that beauty. Beauty. Set that down. Thank you, Nari. Good? Alright.
Coco.
Yes, Nari.
Yes.
That's a cord.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll put that back, please.
No.
Nari, go on the bed.
No.
Please, Nari.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
When you have Onis like that, it's always a headache sometimes. But you know, you gotta love it. Alright, next. Next is boom. Boom. Now, of course, this is where you're gonna install your RAM. Oof, look at that. Alright, let's back to this. So, of course, we're going to use these two slots. Boom. Boom. Make sure we just slip it in there like so. Now, you gotta make sure you don't want to put too much force. I can hear my nephew crying. There we go. That's one. And numero dos. Boom. Gotta make sure you hear the snap. Don't put too much force. And there we go. We got our RAM in there. Where does this go? This goes always touching everything. Next, hopefully my niece didn't drop it, don't break it, is the SSD. I'm gonna put this one together. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if I can get this open. So, un momento. And we're back. Finally got this sucker open. Boom. Now, of course, the way to install this is to put it right here. Now, of course, there's these holes right here. That way you can just slip it in, like so. Oh, actually, I don't know how to put this thing in. Oh, wait, never mind. I put this here the wrong way. Nope, that's not the right way. Interesting. Uno momento. Of course I had this upside down, so yeah, stupid me. Just gotta find the right way to put it in. And boom, here it is. Right there. See that? And it won't. I'll try to put it in as gently as possible. You don't want to break it apart. Otherwise, you're going to have a bad time. And there you go. And of course, we can take this little screw right here and just put it in there. I feel like it should be lower than that. But I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Alright, so far, so good. And we're back. So apparently I was looking for this little thing right here that you need for your SSD. Now these things, oh, I'm gonna focus. Yeah, these things are really, really easy to lose. So let's get this installed.
Mommy, go. Mommy.
What? Alright, found it. Let's put this little sucker in there. And there you go. The SSD is installed. Whew, that took a little bit of time. Now, of course, I did find a few zip ties, strap, for cable management.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that we got most of the parts on, it's time for this. Ooh. Look at this big case. The Lancool 2. Now first, we definitely need to move this out of the way. Open this little baby right here. Okay, we're in business. And the inside is pretty cool. The fans, the top. Definitely got to take apart the top first. I definitely need to take the top off. Let me kick that in. Leave that in. Definitely need to take apart these fans so I can put more in there. So let's see if we can take this out. Magnetic, I like it. Alright, we're definitely gonna start with power supply. Oh boy, it's definitely semi-on module. Got all these little cords for everything. Alright, let's get this in there. Hope it'll fit. There we go. Now, since you want this to be blowing out, you definitely want to put this upside down. So definitely slide this right in here. That way it just sits right there. Once we can do that, then we can do some cable management. And let's take this one off. So definitely need these. Oops. For cable management. Put that there. I'll take up all of them. Oh, that almost fell. Look at all these cables hiding back there. That's what we want. And we'll come back to all of that once we get our motherboard in. Oh, this it's nice and snug. Now let's see if we can try to get this fan up here out of here. Uno momento. And we're back. Alright, took off most of the stuff, the top part, front. We gotta move this fan onto this thing here. So, enough of the POV. Let's get this over with.
2 hours later.
Next, we're going to put this bad boy in the back of the case. Let's move all that, this. And voila, we got it. Whew. All right, next. Next things next. It's time. It is time to put this bad boy into there. And we're back. Now it's time to pop this sucker in. Scared the hell out of me. And there we go. Now, we gotta make sure everything is properly in there so we don't do any mistakes or end up breaking it. Just gotta make sure it's properly in. Screws in there. Come on, stop playing around. Alright, we got the motherboard in there. Next is our GPU. Let's get it. Where it at? Oh, this big piece of tech. Let's get this sucker open. I gotta be careful with this. Don't want this breaking. It took all that time and money to get it. There it is. Woo, that looks beautiful. Alright, let's pop this sucker in there. First, let's take off the plastic wrapping.
Eventually.
Alright, took us a long time, but we are done. Got the speaker. Got me the Wi-Fi adapter. The Redragon keyboard. Logitech wireless mouse. And then instead of the Acer, I decided to go with the ASUS monitor. It looks pretty clean. Not gonna lie. But yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time.